Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first haul for you guys, and this haul is going to be centered around what I bought in preparation for our Disney vacation. As many of you know, we are going in about a week and a half from now, so we are so excited. We're going to be there for 11 days, so we needed quite a few things just to, make sure we have the most magical trip possible. So I don't want to make this intro super long, so let's just get right into it. If you watched my Disney pin trading video, you know that one of the main things that I pre-ordered was some pins to trade in the parks. So I'm going to be using these pins to trade with cast members so that I'm already ready to go when we get there. I bought these pins online from a seller on Facebook. She sells authentic pins for a great price. So I'll be sure to link that group down below so that you can check it out if you want to order some. The next item that I got comes from Walmart, and there's a couple different styles. So we got shirts. The next item I'm going to talk about is the t-shirts that we bought from Walmart. I have a Cricut Explorer Air 2 and have made all of the shirts for my part of our family that is going. And so we needed plain t-shirts for me to decorate with heat transfer vinyl. So we found a couple different styles that we liked. So we have this mint green tank top that was like $2. The brand of this one is the Time and True. That's in the women's section. So they were only $2. And then this Time and True shirt is more of like a ribbed, it's not ribbed, but it's a little thicker of a shirt and just nicer quality. This one was $5, but I think it'll make a really nice shirt. I've actually decorated a few of them in different colors. A lot of these shirts that I'm showing you, we got in multiple different sizes and colors for different people for different shirts. So this one I had a lot of. This is also Time and True. It is a classic V-neck. It's navy blue. So this one I believe was $3. Maybe slightly less, like $2.88. And the last style we got was this really soft plain t-shirt. This is from the men's department. It's the George brand. This was, I believe it was $2.88. So really great prices on the Walmart t-shirts. If you are making your own shirts, figure in the cost of the vinyl, and most of our shirts probably cost us between $7 and $8 to make, whereas they would have been about $22 and up if we bought them from someplace like Etsy. Next, I'm going to be talking about some skin products that I got for the trip. As you can see, I am very pale, and that is not different for any other member of my family. About half of us don't tan, we just turn pink. So it was really important for me to find a good sunscreen. So this sunscreen I've been using for years under my makeup. It is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Liquid Sunscreen. I find that it is thin enough to sit nicely under my makeup and it doesn't mess it up. So whereas like a thicker cream or one of the face sticks, I always feel like if I touch my face, the sunscreen comes off and like pulls all the makeup with it. So don't want that. So it's 70 SPF. I know that there are people that say SPF past 30 is a hoax, but I just like the actual makeup of the product and how thin it is. So I've been using that for years, so I had to get some more of that. And this is new to me. I have not used this, but it is the Ultra Dry Ultra Sheer Body Mist Sunscreen. 45 SPF, and it has a weightless, clean feel and is non-greasy and water resistant for 80 minutes. So it also has a full reach design. So the way that the little sprayer is. You can get your own back, which will be really nice if this goes well. So once we get back, I'll be sure to do a review on this and how I ended up liking it. While we're on the topic of skin and beauty, I wanted to share the foundation and concealer that I got for this trip. I did buy it a few months ago, but I bought it knowing it would last me through till the trip, and I still have plenty left. I think I bought this like mid-April. And it is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. It does have SPF 15 in it, but that's not enough for me. And it is 12-hour makeup and oil-free. I really like it. I find that it wears really well throughout the day. I did my makeup like 9 hours ago, 10 hours ago. I had a full day of work today, and it still looks like it did this morning. And to go with that, I got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I like the cute little bottle, but I have even used this like as foundation, not as foundation, but like instead of foundation a couple of times, and it has really awesome coverage and it looks really nice even if it's all over your face. So really liking these. It's the first Tarte products I've purchased. I do have one of their blushes that I received from Sephora for my birthday one year, which I do also really like. Good pigment stuff. So those are definitely makeup must-haves for Disney for me. So while we are kind of in the hygiene and, you know, body care, I'm going to talk about the toiletry type items that I bought. All of these things came from Walmart. They were all about $1.88, I want to say, or less. They were in like the travel section. So I got this toothbrush holder because I use an electric toothbrush at home, and I've decided that I don't want to bring that with me. It's not like, it's an older toothbrush, so it's not holding a charge that great. So I'm going to be bringing this toothbrush holder with this new toothbrush, and this will just be reused when I travel for the next like 6 months or so, you know, till it gets gross. So got those, and to go with that, I also got some Crest 3D White Travel Toothpaste. It is Radiant Mint and removes up to 80% of surface stains. I don't know if that's true, but it was the most recognizable brand that I saw in the travel section, so I just went with that one. The next thing I got is some Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. And I will say I'm going to try not to use these. They are not like the best thing for your skin to use makeup wipes, but I just want to have them just in case I need them. I'd rather have them and not use them than wish I had them and not have them. So these will be probably staying in the room. And then I also got a pack of travel tissues. We're going to have lots of little noses with us, so, you know, kids get a runny nose at the drop of a hat. And something tells me I might be a little teary while we're there. I'm going to try not to be, but, you know, it happens when you miss it as much as I do. So, tissues are going to be a must. And then I also got these Wet Ones travel antibacterial wipes. Sometimes if you go to sit down at like one of the tables at Disney, maybe someone had just gotten up and the tables are a little gross, you might just want to wipe it off. Also, if your hands get all sticky, because it's sticky a lot of places in Disney. There's cotton candy everywhere and churros and popcorn, and it's just a sticky place. So having these wipes will be very handy. And then moving on to like the food and grocery category, we're not bringing too much, but I get motion sick on the plane. I don't get like sick, but I feel like you know what. So I bought some Trident white peppermint gum. I made sure to get like the mintiest flavor I could just to make sure that it like does what it needs to do. After we take off and are kind of cruising, I'll probably go to sleep just so that I, you know, feel a little better. But I'm gonna bring the gum just in case for some reason I am too excited to sleep, which will probably happen, but you know, we'll see. The next thing I got, I am not quite sure if they'll make it all the way to the trip. They might get eaten before then, but got these new Mickey Mouse goldfish. I bought them at Target. It is the only place I've seen them so far, but I haven't really been looking anywhere else. So got a bag of these for my desk at work, and now I got some for home with the intention of bringing them with us. But if they don't make it, it's all right, because I also was at Walmart and got these Incredibles goldfish. I am a sucker for anything with a character on it, which you will see in the next items as well. So we have the goldfish, which will also help to kind of settle my stomach. But it'll also just be a good snack to have, like a to-go bag when we're in lines for stuff and the kids suddenly need a snack and they're hangry. Be a good thing to tide them over. I also always bring Ziploc bags. And I have 2 different sizes. Again, sucker for the characters. We've got some Mickey bags and some Frozen bags. The Frozen ones are sandwich size, and these Mickey ones are quart size. So the reason I am bringing these is because when you are at a restaurant and you can't quite finish your dinner, it's really nice not to have to carry a to-go container around the park. So if it's something small but you still want to bring it with you, these Ziploc bags will really come in handy. Also, we're going to have a popcorn bucket. They are a great investment. They're like $12, and then you can refill them for $1.50. And they are just a great snack for when you need something small between meals. So we'll have a popcorn bucket, but we have 12 people. So it'll be nice to have somewhere to divide some popcorn. We might end up with more than 1 bucket, but we won't end up with 12. So it'll be nice to have Ziploc bags to put those in. And another time that I was really glad we had Ziploc bags was we were at Be Our Guest for breakfast one day, and it was just my mom and I. This was like last January, like a year ago January. And the meals at Be Our Guest come with like a pastry platter at breakfast. And we were so excited to get on Seven Dwarfs. We made reservations for before the park opened so that we could be like the first people on Seven Dwarfs and not have to wait in like a super long line. So it was getting close to park close, and I'm the slowest eater ever. Talk fast, eat slow. And so we put all the pastries in Ziploc bags, and we've also done that at other restaurants with like the popcorn bucket. Before we use it for the day, we just stick pastries in there. So having these Ziploc bags is going to be a lifesaver. And that is all of the things that I purchased this weekend for our upcoming Disney vacation. I am going to be filming a what I'm packing video. So I will also link the video I already did about 10 things you didn't think of to pack for your Disney vacation. So I'll link that in the cards up here. But I'm also just going to take you through everything that I'm packing, not just the things you didn't think of. Like, I'll show you my shirts, and I'm going to do a video about the shirts I made with our Cricut. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of that fun stuff. I know the packing videos have been really popular so far. So don't want to miss that. And that about does it for this video. So I'll talk to you guys later. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!